बोलो
As a professional, as a interior stylist, I love the colors, and I think one of the most important things for the brand is the customization that they have. And as a stylist, I like my accessories. I like to go to one brand and buy everything from them. And especially with the new collection, you see sync and the new finishes that they have. Any of your basket, any spool, anything that you need when it comes to sync. They have it. The customization rate is quite high. The finishes is quite high. So for me, it's like a store that I go to buy smaller accessories for the kitchen from other brands. And to be honest, it makes my job easier. And the clients, they love it because also the new lines and colors and design they have designed. People usually get stores basic color of the range, which could be any of the brand colors, and then with the new collection you have the
How is CPR workstation?
yeah yeah I tell you why that is I tell you why that is. So in India we have no not I love because Indian cooking is done by our staff, right? And when you make any Indian meal, you have your pressure cooker, you have your tawas, you have a lot of equipment that is around you. So for me, the
We have a special large sink for the North Indian.
yeah, and not only the large spaces that you have, but also you guys have built from depth as well, because some of the Indian papilas are quite big. So you don't, you got right on the same jars, like that space. So yeah, I'm very happy with my collaboration. Thank you so much. Oh, of course, thank you so much for having me, and I'm looking forward to everything that I'm gonna do. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. Fantastic.
हम यहाँ पे देंगे ऑडियो सेंटर
लाइट लगाओ ना भाई.
Good? Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye. Of course. No, of course. Bye. Giving you a round. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Bye. Bye.
सब दिखाना है
Can we stand this side and take a picture?
Oh yeah, you can.
लाओ भाई थोड़ा कभी कर दो.
They are done.
सब बॉडी टर्न मैं पीछे
ये भाई थोड़ा वीडियो. थोड़ा पीछे आओ ना भाई. अरे बस.
क्या होने वाले हैं सर ऑन योर लेफ्ट थैंक यू
Thank you guys. Thank you. मेरा जो सोलो था ना यहाँ पे.
यहाँ पे आओ
हाँ
ले लो सर
अरे तो इधर क्यों आ रहा है
अरे वो
लेकिन.
नाम से नहीं ना उसको करना है भाई
बैक
अरे रुको ना जरा, अरे उल्टा मार रहा है दूसरा बना रहा है। बस बस हाँ इधर इधर हाँ अरे आ जा रहे हैं बस और आगे मत जाओ बाइट
Thank you so much. Thank you.
हम इधर
नहीं मार देगी पता है मेरा
Shruti. No, Shruti. Come that side.
शूट कर रही है
Yeah, let's start. Let's interact. Come.
हिलाना मत इंटरेक्ट मतलब इधर इंटरेक्ट
वो अलग कर रही है वो अलग कर रही है
बाय
Come.
अरे वो कुछ कर रही है
अभी नहीं है माइक
delay. Thank you, Suzanne, for coming in. We
Thank
really
you,
appreciate
Chirag.
it.
I'm sorry for the delay. My flight got delayed and I landed very late. Like 2 o'clock I landed. So I rushed came. Sorry.
So, guys, you know we've been working with Suzanne for many years now. We have launched this fantastic, the SK Carousel collection of kitchen sinks, and today we are happy to launch the Carousel SK kitchenettes. And I would like to ask Suzanne to please speak about this more. Thank you.
So, Chirag Parekh is a extremely forward-thinking, progressive, and manufacturing head, and he owns this brand Carousel. Carousel is one of the most beautifully German-engineered brands that have created kitchen sinks for, I would say, all of the world. They're a monopoly of manufacturing for the whole world. And we collaborated to create a kitchenette, which is basically a sink within a kind of a kind of console table, which could be used as a part of your office. It could be used in an outdoor space because it's completely in stainless steel, PVD coated. So it is like the same material that you make taps from. The whole kitchenette is the same material that we coat, like PVD coated, engineered to last in any kind of climate. And we purposely wanted to create something which was fun, so that a very interesting synergy between having a kitchen sink and a counter, which tomorrow one could even put a stove up here and create it into a kitchenette in a bachelor pad or in an apartment for a couple. So we wanted to make it everything. Just this one thing is your kitchen. You don't have to bother to do much things. So that's when we are now creating more of this kind. Yes, please add. Yes.
I think it's like, some area out there, how is the kitchen space evolving? And you gotta, and we 100% need to address the new millennials here, okay? So my daughter is a millennial, and we need to absolutely address that issue. Is what do they like? How do they have fun in their homes in kitchen space? So me and Suzanne were speaking about it. So this kitchen is so much fun. You can pick it up, put it in your drawing room, put it in your outdoor,
Office also,
in your office.
in a home office or in a young couple's apartment. Anywhere.
So much fun and looks so good. So
And the best thing is that we've created it in such a way that it is boxable and it can be packed and shipped anywhere.
would you want to add
Yeah.
the gold and the black.
Yes, yes. So
Which is your favorite?
So we purposely chose a combination of industrial, edgy, but industrial chic. That's what I call it. So we've got the PVD matte black, and we've got the deep gold, old gold. So I think that combining a masculine and a feminine, making this a product for women, for men, for any family, and for any office. And it's an interesting product because we're trying to make, this is the first of our many that we are going to do in many colors and combinations. And so yes, so here we are introducing to you the kitchenette.
Yes, SK Carousel.
SK Carousel Kitchenette.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए यहाँ पे मैम कैमरा लो
Thank you so much for waiting, all of you. So sorry about the delay. Really sorry. Oh my. You want to ask us some questions?
नहीं नहीं यहाँ पे देखिए यहाँ पे चलो थैंक यू हमारा
Thank you.
थैंक यू
Thank you. Thank you.
थैंक यू चलो भाई